My name is Praveen Chaurasia. I belong to Gopalganj district in Bihar. I have done graduate in 2022 as well as I am completed travel and tourism course on Skylark Institute. I am learned many things in this industry. Now, what is tour package? What is inbound tour, outbound tour? What is visa and passport? Many types of visa and passports. That's many things learned in this industry. I feel confident fully after doing this course. Online course is better for me. I can do anywhere and anytime. This is a minimum fee in this course. I purchase discounts offer. I advise for everyone. This is a very beneficial course. Any people do this course and learn many things like inbound, outbound, our country and another country to give opportunity to travel world.